Hey everyone! Time to take these old boards we found on our property and reclaim them into something good. One of our shop upgrades last winter was adding our Laguna P1 Dust Collector system. This has really helped to cut down on dust in the shop, and you'll notice it playing a role over and over on this project. Now that the pieces have visited the planer, the jointer, and the table saw, they're ready for a glue up.